video that will demonstrate how to use the NeonArtist in Canva. Do keep in mind it is a limited app, so you can only do so many. You can always work on other Canva projects if you've reached your limit for the day. I'm going to go ahead and click on the image to get the template. When this window loads, I will choose Edit Template. Because I'm already logged into Canva, it opened in Canva. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in through Google using your school account. I will go ahead and show you some examples. You're going to write a prompt to generate an image. So here's an example: a cold cup of ice water with lemon, a neon Volkswagen at the beach, a neon cafe sign at night, and then a neon street scene lined with palm trees. So when you come across this on your project, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the apps on the left hand side. You will type in NeonArtist and go ahead and open up that app. Now you could try an example and it will generate text, or you can type in your own. I encourage you to come up with your own prompt to generate images. Do keep in mind it is limited, so if create an image and you don't like it, that's going to cause problems. But don't keep the image if you don't like it. So for example 5, I came up with neon city scene with the moon in the sky at night. So I'm going to go ahead and select that text, and I will right click and choose copy. And once the image is generated and I like it, I will paste that prompt into this section of the slide. So I will go ahead and choose Generate Image to see what it comes up with. Once it's loaded on the window, I will barely move the image to fill in that space. And I actually like that image, so I will click in here and I will right click and choose Paste. Do not forget to type in your prompt so people understand what the prompt was to get the image. Once you're done and you like your presentation, you would add the music and then save it. When you're ready to save, you choose Share in the upper right corner, choose the download option, make sure that it's an MP4 video and choose Download. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder on your computer and locate the presentation. This concludes the session on how to create images with the NeonArtist app in Canva. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.